This Kingston Fury Beast 128GB kit just changed everything. 5600 MT per second DDR5 madness. Ever felt like your system is mocking you, sluggish, choking on heavy projects, freezing mid-edit, or crawling through massive datasets? You sit there, frustrated, watching deadlines slip away, wondering why your so-called high-performance rig can't keep up. It's not you. It's your memory holding you hostage. Wasted time, wasted energy, wasted momentum. That creeping sense of burnout. It starts here. Now imagine missing another deadline. Client waiting, creativity stifled, stress levels peaking. That gut punch feeling when your timeline lags or renders crash. Crushing. The pressure builds. Sleepless nights, endless frustration, unmanageable workloads, and haunting thoughts of missed opportunities. Every wasted second compounds into burnout. Memory bottlenecks don't just slow you down, they sabotage your potential. And honestly, you've endured it long enough. Enter the Kingston Fury Beast White 128GB DDR5 kit, KF556C40BWK4-128, the unapologetic breakthrough designed to annihilate limits. With a jaw-dropping 128GB capacity across 432GB modules and blazing 5600 MT per second speeds, it feels less like an upgrade and more like unleashing a storm. Imagine scrubbing through uncompressed 8K footage, smooth, instant, effortless. Picture running massive AI datasets or multiple VMs without a stutter. One music producer called it a lifesaver when enormous sample libraries loaded instantly instead of dragging projects to a halt. Overclocking? A single click with Intel XMP 3.0. Stability? Locked tight with on-die ECC and Kingston's lifetime reliability. And that sleek, white aluminum heat spreader? It not only keeps things cool, but turns your rig into a clean, minimal masterpiece. This isn't just faster memory. It's your personal productivity rescue mission. What does next-level performance feel like? Like workflows snapping into place. Fluid, streamlined, intuitive. The Kingston Fury Beast DDR5 doesn't just push numbers. It unlocks experiences. A content creator raved. 8K editing without proxies finally feels real. An industry analyst observed. Capacity is the new performance. This kit makes workstation-class multitasking effortless. Influencers love its white, low-profile design. No clearance issues, no distractions, just raw speed. Experts call it future-proof memory for creators who've outgrown 64GB. And real users? They gush. Running 4 DIMMs at 5600 MT per second. Zero stability issues. Finally, no lag while scrubbing massive timelines. My machine learning models train noticeably faster. Can you really put a price on eliminating bottlenecks, banishing crashes, and conquering stress? Imagine juggling Blender, Premiere, and multiple VMs, and everything stays snappy. That's the hidden magic. It doesn't just boost performance. It restores focus and creative flow. Want to see why creators, pros, and power users won't shut up about this kit? Stock won't last. Kits like this don't sit around. Secure yours today and join thousands already editing faster, coding smoother, and multitasking without compromise. Don't wait another project cycle chained by slowdowns. Act now, before supply runs dry. Limited availability means hesitation could cost you weeks of wasted time. Seize this chance. Build the rig you deserve. Push boundaries. Crush deadlines. Own your momentum with Kingston Fury Beast DDR5. The future of performance? It's waiting for you.